Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on your Google account. Now, you might be wondering why do you need to add this from your computer when it's more convenient to do it on your phone. Yes, it's much more convenient to add it into your phone, especially when, we're using, for example, if you're using an Android, you're using your GPay or whatever. But you can also do it from your Google account if you're on your computer, you just want to simply add it there as well. Some people don't really use that much on their computer on their phone, but nevertheless, I'm showing you how to do it directly from your PC as well if you ever need to do so. So once you're inside your Google account, you want to click your profile in the upper right hand side. That's if you're already signed in as well. Click manage your Google account, and on the left hand side you have payment and subscription. Now here you have the option that says payment method, and you can manage your payment method. So if you click on that, you will see that it takes you over to where it says GPay in the upper left hand side, it's Google Pay, and you can add a payment method, right? So you can go ahead and you can click on add a payment method, and here you will see it just give you the option to add your card number and basically the card holder, which is a person with the name on the card, and you can add your billing address and just simply click on save. No, I'm not going to add something at the moment, but you get the idea. Fill in the card number, fill in the date and the CVC number, right? That you can find on the back of the card is a 3-digit number as well. And just fill in the billing address for it. You can most likely find this in your banking account, or if you have the app for your bank on your bank, you can find it under some profile settings. Basically you know your home address, right? So if you sign up for your own, if you use that current home address where you're living to get that account, then it's most likely the same, right? So once you do that, guys, just simply click on save and you will have the option to have those payment methods there. And keep in mind that once you add this, whether on your phone or your computer, it will always be there in whichever way you try to look at it. So if you add it here from your computer, when you check it on your phone, you will see that that payment will be showed up here under your account on your phone as well. And vice versa, if you add it on your phone, you can check it here on your computer and it will be there. So I just want to take the time to show you how to add this, guys, from your computer if you ever need to do so. And yeah, that's how you go ahead and add a payment method on your Google account. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.